If you've been with this channel for a while, you know I am not new to BenQ products. I reviewed one of their lights before, but today I am going to do something new. Compare two BenQ light bars head to head. I am Daniel, and on this channel, I test gadgets and devices to give you a clear picture of what they're really like before you buy. Today I am putting both the BenQ ScreenBar Pro and ScreenBar Halo to the test. BenQ was kind enough to send these over for me to try, and after using both for a week, I can honestly say they've made a real difference. I'm going to walk you through their features, compare them, and help you figure out which one might be right for you. And guys, before we dive into this one, all the useful links and exclusive discounts are waiting for you in the description below. Let's jump in! Alright guys, let's start with BenQ ScreenBar Pro. And let me tell you, this isn't just another desk lamp. For $139, this thing is basically a game changer for anyone who spends hours in front of a computer. First off, this light looks seriously cool. It's super clean. Just a simple tube-shaped bar that sits right on top of your monitor. No weird complicated design, just pure functionality. And the touch controls, they are crazy intuitive. Want to adjust brightness? Just tap. Need to change the color temperature? Easy peasy. There's even a preset button, so you can save your favorite settings. But mates, here's the killer feature. This thing has a proximity sensor that basically reads your mind. Walk up to your desk and boom, the light turns on. Walk away and it switches off. I mean, how awesome is that? No more fumbling with switches or forgetting to turn off your desk light. Power and setup are a total breeze too. It uses USB-C, which of course it does. It's 2026 folks, and the clamp attaches to basically any monitor without any drama. Whether you have got a tiny screen or a massive programming monitor, these things got you covered. Performance-wise, it's legit impressive. Folks, we're talking about lighting up an entire 85 by 50 cm workspace with zero glare. That means no more eye strain, no weird reflections on your screen, just perfect comfortable lighting. If you're someone who works long hours, does streams, or just wants a seriously smart desk light, the BenQ ScreenBar Pro is 100% worth checking out. Alright, let's talk about the ScreenBar Halo, BenQ's more premium option that'll run you about $179. Now, before you think, wow, that's expensive, hear me out, because this thing's got some seriously cool tricks up its sleeve. The absolute game changer here is the rear halo light that creates this awesome ambient glow behind your monitor. If you're someone who works late at night or does tons of screen time, this is gonna be a total eye saver. Imagine having this soft, gentle light that reduces eye strain. It's like your monitor is giving you a comfy hug. The build quality is next level too. We're talking a super sturdy clamp with this soft rubber grip that basically hugs your monitor like it never wants to let go. But the real showstopper, the wireless controller. This thing feels premium. Smooth rotary dial, easy brightness and temperature controls, and you can switch between front light, back light, or both with just a quick twist. Battery-wise, it runs on 3 AAA batteries, and I'm willing to bet this will last you forever. One tiny downside, it doesn't have that cool proximity sensor the Pro model has. Instead, it's got an auto-dimming sensor that adjusts based on ambient light, which is cool, but not quite as magical as the Pro's hands-free feature. So is it worth the extra cash? If you're a night owl, a content creator, or someone who lives and dies by their workspace comfort, I am gonna say heck yes. This isn't just a light, it's basically an investment in your eyes and your workspace vibe. Guys, before we continue, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on all my future unboxings and reviews. Alright guys, let's talk real performance. These light bars are like the superheroes of desk lighting. The Pro, it's your workhorse. With 9 watts of power, this bad boy handles pretty much everything you throw at it. Working during the day and need that crisp, bright light? Done. Working through the night and want something soft and warm? It's got you covered. It's basically the Swiss Army knife of desk lights. Now, the Halo takes things up a notch with that killer rear ambient light. Imagine working in a dark room, and instead of your eyes feeling like they're being stabbed by your screen, you've got this gentle balanced glow that makes everything feel just right. It's like having a lighting professional living on your monitor. One tiny gripe: the Halo is still rocking a USB-A cable, which feels about as modern as a flip phone in 2026. But hey, if your desktop setup is still USB-A friendly, it's no big deal. Most people probably won't even notice. Bottom line, both of these slides are gonna transform your workspace. The Pro is your practical, budget-friendly body. The Halo is like the fancy cousin who shows up in a designer outfit. So guys, how did these two stack up? The Pro is basically the smart, budget-friendly option that's gonna blow your mind. If you're all about that hands-free life, this thing is perfect. Walk up to your desk and bam, the light turns on. Walk away and it switches off. No fumbling, no extra steps, just pure convenience. And at its price point, it's like getting a high-tech lighting solution without emptying your wallet. The Halo though, this is for the folks you want to feel a bit fancy. We are talking about that killer rear ambient lighting that basically creates this soft, eye-saving glow behind your monitor. Plus, that wireless controller, it's not just a controller, it's basically a desk flex. If you're someone who loves premium tech that looks and feels awesome, the Halo is screaming your name. So which one should you grab, folks? If you are budget conscious and want something super practical, go Pro. If you want to treat yourself to a more luxurious lighting experience and don't mind spending a bit extra, the Halo is your new best friend. Bottom line, both are awesome. It just depends on whether you want smart practicality or premium vibes. Alright guys, let's wrap this up. If you want hands-free convenience and great performance at a lower price, the BenQ ScreenBar Pro is an easy recommendation. For $139, it delivers zero glare, excellent lighting, USB-C power, and one of the coolest proximity sensors I have seen on a desk accessory. If you're looking for something more premium, the ScreenBar Halo is a fantastic upgrade. The rear ambient light, wireless controller, and overall design make it feel like a luxury addition to your workspace. It may cost more, but the experience definitely justifies it. Thanks again to BenQ for sending these over. If you're interested, I've left links in the description so you can check them out. Feel free to drop any questions in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this review helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.